That way. Yeah. Go. Go, Kyla. Look at her go. Wow. Over. Over. Wow. Go. Go, Kyla. So fast. Yeah. What Kyla make for this? Watch out, watch out.
Them now go believe so it's so easy. Focus on it and even phone. Turn around, man. You ready? 9 plus 1. 10. You have to talk loud, many people are going to look at the pocket. How much? 9 plus 1? 10. 5 plus 5? 10. 6 plus 4? 10. 7 plus 3? 10. 5 plus 5? 10. 9 plus 1? 10. 8 plus 2? 10. 7 plus 3? 10. 9 plus 1? 10. How much Victoria? 10. It's special, you know.
Yeah, so we're at the Oak Gardens and it's all about mega bunks. Lexi, we are here already.
Yep.
Bunks out them chew up.
I'm not sure about that. I'm the designated bag watcher.
Yeah, so this is just a vibe anytime. Let's show you exactly what is going to be happening here today. That'll be man in a clown suit with the clown boot. Yeah, man, don't make him tricky. I give baby sit them. Give baby sit them for a sponsor, you sponsor you. You ever say want this too? I give them. Yeah. Alright, so this is just a vibe entering the event, you know what I mean? It's all about mega bunks. First time in Jamaica, I would just walk through and I show you exactly what the event is all about coming into the event. See me I say? So it's a full tour at the Oak Gardens, and you know, we're just entering from the parking lot, and there you have it, the entrance to Mega Bunks. To big up to everybody who actually stay tuned right now and start watching video. And think if you're new here, do me a beg you, subscribe to Jamaica Walk By and check out the natural vibe, the natural happenings and thing. So what them say, no food, no juice, no nothing. So you have to buy them thing up on the inside. And what we hear so far is that there is no re-entry. So once you enter inside, you can't come back out. And that may I say. So we walk with tent, cheer, every look at thing. So make we capture the natural happenings going inside. Yeah, online tea and buy for your. So see, so you have a physical ticket entrance and you have an online ticket entrance.
No food, no juice, no water, no loop herring. You have to check out the loop herring.
Alright, so far we actually heard that all the tickets were sold out, but currently there's a van right over here so parked up selling tickets. I'm not sure how detailed that is, but so far, yeah. So Lexi, I guess we can call X and tell him, Lexi, I guess we can call X and tell him say there's a van actually here selling some tickets. Yeah, that's what the guy said. Yeah.
They have limited amount.
He never say.
You know, no scissors,
no, we not. You can check it out. Yeah, we don't have no scissors. So what is happening here now is that they're just searching to make sure that there's no weapon or nothing that can pierce the balloons or anything like that. So they want to make sure, which is not wrong. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. No. Then that's why we can't come back in when you come on.
No re-entry.
You see it, so we have to well prepare. Yeah, you can't look in my bag and thing. So, yeah. So make sure you read all of the rules, man, so we don't carry any little thing. Listen to me again. You're good? Alright, good. Alright, so just the natural vibe as we enter. Just keep your eye on her for a second, because you know the thing goes. Whole house. Now when they say we can't come back out and we have babies, so we have to make sure so we have everything. We just move with the house. So yeah, even restroom. So there's a lot of space, very big venue. So we have tent, we have chair, we have fan, we have power supply, we have so much stuff. What we are going to do. Hey! Lexi, son no bun we. Yeah. So yeah, restroom and everything. Yeah, sorry for it look slow right as a still, but so far everything good. Yeah. So they might check online to make sure that your tickets are verified before we enter. So bear with us. Bear with us. Sweater run on my back already. Sweater run on my back already. Yeah man, Kylie a sweat monster.
One. 5 away.
5 away?
Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so 3 children, 2 adults.
Adults.
And a trolley.
Yeah man, actually I forget booked to show one.
At airport, you know?
Man.
Okay, everything, you know?
Bro, you see?
Find everything. So, so which part is the tent?
He in there, see there?
You thought we were joking?
Wait, no joke.
The bed is here too?
Yeah man, in there. Wow, go on. You know me always have it. Ever roll. Big up yourself here. Take it easy. Go show the people them what go on. See if the rest of the day then can get more ram. Yeah. No sell off the whole like ticket them. So yeah, massive, we're on the inside. Yeah. I could go to one tree over there, so I could go over that side there. So you can take your pictures them here, so you're mega bomb. Yeah man, Lexi, you have to take 2 pictures, man. Come here, we take 2 and then we could go across. So we're on the inside of the event, you know what I mean? Look on the place. So we have some ample place over here, so we're going to just find a spot and set up with tent. But me I go walk around and show you exactly what the place look like and what go on and everything. Look good, there are food tent over there, so on the left. And we're going to walk over there so we can show you exactly what the type of food there. And we are going to just walk out the event and all of the good things. You see me? Ah yeah, I could do that. Oh my word, there's some mega banks about and balloons and beer things, you know. Almighty. It is massive. Massive. We probably can utilize a little tree there. So massive, stay tuned, man. We're going to walk. We're going to walk, massive. So I just carry my family go. I want a little spot where we can so that's how we are going to build and kick it. And we don't have to worry about nothing, you see me? So when I get the full experience, so I can buy on the ticket and forward, you see me? Yes, man. Alright, man. You want somewhere here, so? Cause that spot right that's on nobody. Right, that's on nobody. Yeah, so we're on the inside. Alright, so far we carry tent, we carry fan, we carry blanket, we carry everything. So this is the beautiful Jamaica in 10. Yeah, Jamaica. Lexi, tell them to subscribe to your channel, man.
Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 10,000 views.
Subscriber. 10,000 subscriber, man.
Subscribers.
Right. So this is Jamaica in 10. You understand my sister right there, so?
Hi.
That is it. My sister friend. Yeah. No joke, you don't know. Look at that. And we have Kawi one over there, so. And Antronique. That is it. Look good. Come move the truck. Yeah. So we are set up. Alright. Kylie, just walk out. Sorry, my friend. Kylie, get back a little bit. Alright. Alright. Alright, Lexi. I'll be back shortly, yeah? I'll be back shortly. Alright, so let's walk. Let me show you exactly what is going on. We can start at the food section as we go through. So big up to everybody who actually stay tuned and join the video. You know me actually have to make sure so me know a family there. That's as the video you done. Me go enjoy myself. Me and the family, they might go have a nice time still. But let's do this and let's go. You see me? Massive. It's all about mega bunks. So if you watch this far and you're not yet subscribed or like the video, please may I beg you do so right about now. It's not a narrating video, but we just have to show now to walk through, see all of the people that will come out and things. So we're going right to the front area and go buy the food and make our way back down. So right as I know here, hold my shoes station. As I put on your shoes, them and think, yes I. Nah joke. More space. What is on this side? Bigger, better, badder. Burger and thing over here, so as well flip them burgers. have what? Screeches seafood. Man. And the great Krispy Kreme. Oh, sushi, I make one. So right here, you have Krispy Kremes, you have Little Caesars Pizza, you have Popeyes right here, and you also have, what else? Screeches, you have bigger, better dogs and all of them things. So for the food area, you got from burgers to hot dogs to, you don't know, all of them nice name and also name in a Jamaica outside right now. So yeah, this is the vibe, this is the energy right now at Hope Gardens for the Mega Bunks first episode in Kingston, Jamaica. And this event is gonna be here today for Saturday, Sunday and Monday in Kingston. And it's gonna be island wide, so island wide, so you can get a chance to visit in Ocherius, or you can get a chance to visit when you reach Clarendon, Montego Bay, or anywhere else it's going to be. You see me I say? Yeah, so this is it for a part of the food section as we make our way out and to check out the rest of places and bunks and balloon and all of them good things there. You see me? Make a move. Ample seating too. But for them area, the sun are gonna beat you, so make sure say you have your umbrella. You see me? Cause you don't know, a breeze time, place hot. And it dusty. Crazy balloon bunks about, yo. Everything, Jabi. Hey. Everything.
Take it out, easy.
Look at this. So this is just a part of the course. It don't even start here, so I can walk out the entrance because it is massive. Massive. When I tell you say massive, it's massive. Really big. Just find money. Is it? This is the vibe.
Here we go.
Oh my word.
Let's go. Let me go. Let me go.
But this is actually the line. One of the lines to enter Mega Bunks Island, as you can see right over there. So, whoa, yeah. The place is so big. There's so much, like, even to the amount of persons who are here, them have ample amount of place and things. The bunks, the place massive. This is just one of the section right here. This is just one. You understand? And it is massive. And then if you look around, you have another one here. Look good. Oh my word, look good. And this is another one. You see me? Yo, swear. No joke, no. So it's just a walk in video, we just a walk in and just a tour the place, showing exactly what go on. Whoa, yo, when we realize you can see the adult them, the big adults them, they sweat out. Because I share look like she bounced about 50 times already. Yeah? So over here now you have another one as I tell you about, another course. Massive again. The line them a get long. So you have even this one to know where the kids them can climb. Even adults too. Which one, Kyla? Yeah. Are you a bar? Oh, alright. Let me come catch that one. So, Kyla, they are bunks. See, Caddy, them. So, see, they have a loads or a variety of them. Mega Bunks first day in Jamaica is a big success. So there you have it, you have all these ones for the kids as well. One thing I'm happy though, I'm happy that there isn't like just one big thing. You have separate ones where the kids can come and enjoy without you have to worry, because just be a kids there and them. You see me? I just see Kylie having fun. Kadina, you're not bunks.
Yeah, bunks.
You're not bunks, man.
Yeah, bunks, man. You're ready to get ready of that one. It's that one there, guys. It's that one over there.
It's a field event.
Fly me a flash.
Alright, so come. Yeah. Alright, so let me see the others. Sorry. This one have a zip line, man. Wait, go to the end, man. Alright, that's how you're stuck up. God. So the balloon have a zip line where them can sit down on a zip line go down. Man, this is creative. I can show you now what I go on as this girl jump on and Oh no! Yo! Yeah, so this is another one here. Man. Alright. And as I say, there's a lot of places that you can follow your family. If you have a tent, if you have shelter or cover or anything, you can put it and just relax with your family and just enjoy the event and in fine style. And that's how we carry the whole thing. You have another place over here now where you have adults that jump through this too. This is one of the obstacle course them. It's big. Big, big, big. If you can tell from the drone shots, it is in a normal. Oh yes! That's another thing. The bugs are watch the sun. I must say my bugs are watching child, watch our child. Yeah. And you also have this one. Yeah man, so this is us here at Mega Bunks. Yeah. Let's go on the other side so we can sit inside. So this is a beautiful, a wonderful event for the kids. You understand? I'm going to have to join one of the line and yeah, and just go inside so you can get a first-hand look as to what it looks like inside of it. So let me see what I go on. Which one are the easiest one we could have? Which one are the easiest obstacle course we could have go? Cause as you can see, all these people here waiting to go inside of it. And see, you have to make sure say you're forward with socks because there's no barefoot bunks. And guess what? You can't do too. You can't go in there with your shoes. Yeah. So here me I go rest my shoes and me I go forward right now and we are going to go through the obstacle course. You see me? Yeah man, no joke, no doubt. Make we do it. Now go rest my shoes and we are going to go in that one here. Make you can see it up close and personal. You see me? I have the drone so I can see the drone shots them too as well. I could do it so.
Young and weekday, speaking at AKA, she got out of the never on the flight, she died on the flight home.
I love how they set it up. There is whole heap of ample space for persons to have fun with you as an adult and as a child. You know what I mean? Yeah. So remember, Massey, please subscribe to the beautiful Jamaica in 10. You know what I mean? If you want to know the facts and history and bunch of stuff about Jamaica, yeah, go and like our latest video about Flatbridge. Make sure you want to search it up.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah, our encourage your outfit today.
Just keep it comfortable, you know, not too rigid, not too, you know, we just keep comfortable, simple, you know, make we look like 18 again.
Dolly!
You know, Dolly word then.
Oh God! Yeah, massive. So we are here. I want to take one of the go on in a one obstacle course up close and personal. So I have to take off my shoes from here. So them going with slippers and then just going barefoot. Because the shoes are bare socks. So we just have to show them the obstacle course and forward. And alright, for water and all of them something there, up there so. Up that side there. You see them tent there? Yeah. And then you have food and stuff on the other side. So when you go that way, you're gonna turn right. You're gonna see all I tent them up that side there. Yeah. So we so come, see? Jamaica in 10. You figure that. Are we so forward? So Lexi I hold the foot through with the things them. So when me forward, me I go just hold the tent and just we are go hold a vibe. So let's go in a one of the course them so I can make us see or in a one of them stay. That line there too long, so I can't work with that one there. That one there way too long. So we are going to that one now. That one are bigger. So all of them are socks and things. When you're done with them, I dash your settings, you see me? Yeah man. Rockstone, the line I get long. You want me to want going on? We still are going on. Because we are showing you the vibe today. We are showing you the energy. Oh yo, you're long, but you look like it a move fast. Oh, you reach. Sure you can manage. Alright. But Anthony there. Alright. And we are going another one. Alright, so we just have to wait to go inside of that one. Let's go. One thing though is sun a bit. I don't know, so we're not cut. We just show another vibe like a owner there. Oh, here's somebody I walk with water herself too. Looks like she's a part of the team. Oh man. Bear with me all my people. We're there wait a little bit for going at the big obstacle course. I want to see the up close and personal. Other than the drone shots, I want to see what inside of it look from a from a first person angle. I'm gonna move a little bit slow, still, and make you see. Watch a bull man, bull and dash of people like wow. Alright, it'll move fast, man. So you have a general, just check the people them as everybody are going. So I check for no glasses. So no glasses, no ring, hook earring.
No ring, no glasses, no key. Senior party to the back.
No key.
Not sharp object.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Kylie, it's okay, we're going inside here. So what is happening is that they have to make a group go so that they don't have any pile up. So as soon as they free up again, them let in the rest of people, them, you see me? So we don't have to worry ourselves. So then around there, everybody if you just congested one place or in a one spot, they make you can go first. And then one set to another set to another set. And then till everybody gone in. It'll move fast, that will soon go in, almost inside. So at least you know, sister, there's a little wait because of everything we are going on. Sister, there's a little wait before we can get inside. And trust me, the day is getting worse because it's early. It's early, so we reach early because we don't want to make sure so we get ample time to do what we are doing. So we reach early and things. So all like people then when I reach early, trouble. Right. Yeah man, the sun wicked. Sun wicked.
Stand up here, some say.
All of them up now.
Hi Kylie, are you ready? Yeah! Kylie, I can't wait. So we're about to go in, massive. I want to stay tuned for the experience, man. Yeah. So massive, don't just watch. If you can follow up and catch one event, it's a beautiful event for you and your family and friends. So definitely won't regret it. Believe me. Beautiful event for your friends, family and adults. They just come and picnic and carry your kids and everybody. And I tell you, nice. Soon. Soon, mommy. Our time next. Our time next, don't worry. Yeah, we.
And I carry her to Evo Line?
Yeah. Yeah, man, that carry her. Come on. See? Baby, I get a little exhausted because she can't wait to go on the inside. So we are free up right now still. Are you ready? So most of the people are on top now, right there, so you come out when you reach the end of the obstacle course. Yeah. Full time I know. Full time I know. Full time I know.
Anthony?
No. But that me I say. That's the only thing we can't do that now. What did you do? I try to follow the rules and the principles, you see me? Over time I know. Yeah, them are running good still, you know. I'm not going to complain because they don't want the chaos and... Yeah man, go on. Wait. Which one? Yeah man, I'm going to take her. Alright. All your local car and this one want to go on. Up, climb. That is it. That is it, Kylie. Up there. Alright, that is it. I want to look at the different man, she not play. Woo! So see, we're up close and personal. Go, Kylie! You're doing it! Go! Go! Yay! Wow! You're doing it! Go, Kylie, go! Yeah! Show them how it's done! Wow! Look about your man over better than me. Up, Kylie, up! Go! Go! Go, 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 go! One, go! Go, go, go! Go, Kyla, you can do it! Go, go, go! Fight! Again, fight! Fight! Yeah! Over! Woo! Go! Go, Kylie, go! You're tired, dig up and Kylie, go! Watch out! Come, Kylie, man! Watch Kylie go and you do the bonus! Watch Kylie, gone! Under! Go, Kylie, under!
Go!
Under, Kylie, under! Oh! Under, Kylie! Under, Kylie, oh yeah! Under! We're like a soldier! Under, Kylie! Over! Go under, Kylie, under! Under, yeah! Under, Kylie! Oh yeah! Good job, up, Kylie, go! Climb! Yeah, up! Watch it, baby, up! Go! Again! Let me push it, yeah! Go! Put over your foot! Go! Climb it! Oh yeah! Woo. The Kylie like that! Up, Kylie, up! Kylie, I'm going! Go, Kylie! Over!
You know.
Jump! Big jump!
That was a
Big jump! 1, 2, 3, go!
you know.
Go, Kylie! Come this way! Yeah! Run! Yeah! Run! Watch out! Kadina burn out and down there so can't get up. Do up this. One watch Kylie still going. Go Kylie, go! Go Kylie, go! Go! Oh no! Go Kylie, go! Wow! Go Kylie, go! Show them how it's done! Show them! Oh, can you do this? Can you do it? Yeah? Go. Go, my daughter, go. Yeah. Go. Show them. Show them, Kylia. Yeah. Go. Ready? Up. Climb. Climb, Kylia. Climb. Climb. Up. Climb, Kylia. Wow. So cool. Go. Go, Kylia. Go. Slide. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah. This way. That way. Yeah. Go. Go, Kylia. Look at you. Look at her go. Wow. Over. Over. Wow. Go. Go, Kylia. So fast. Yeah. What, Kylia? Make for this. Huh? Watch out, watch out. Can't do that one. Let me see. Oh, too big. Jump. Jump. Ready, set, go. Over. Go. Nice. Go, mama. Go, mama. Go, mama. Go. Yeah. Go, mama. This way. This way. Oh, no. Go. You're my soldier. My soldier. Go. Go, my soldier. Go, my soldier. Go, my soldier. Wow. Under. You're going, Kylia. Go. Look at you go. Yo, it ain't easy, no? Watch out, me and Bono to watch Kylia. I did it wicked. Wow. Go, Kylia, go. Oh my word. Wow, it may blow hard. How much, Kylia? Go, Kylia, go. Go. Non-stop. You can do it. Go. Wow, good job. Still going over. Like a soldier. Can you make it? Oh yeah, you can. All right. Big jump, big jump. Yeah. Again. Again. Oh yeah. Under. Good job. Go, go, go. Yo, this is long. I said it's long. Oh man, I did. Ah. Go, Kylia. Fast now, fast. Wow. That's it. Under. Under. Yeah. Oh. Can you make this one? Yeah? Alright, let's go. You can do it. Climb, baby, climb. Climb, baby, climb. Up, climb, baby. The thing is, even if they fall, they'll be okay. They will be fine. Because the thing is so soft. Hold on, I can't make it. Go. Oh yeah, you did it. Go, go, go. Go. Can you make this one? Slippery, so slidey. Can you go? Kylia, you gotta left everybody. There's nobody inside. Yo, the baby had outdo everybody. Oh, me Bono, touch it. She gone. Watch her, she outdo everybody. Go. Yo, it's hard, especially when it's heavy. Can you make that one? Can you make it? Can you make it? Go. Over. Can I make this one? Alright, climb. Ready? Jump. 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 Let's bounce and go. Bounce. Bounce. Under. Yeah. Big jump. Wow, high five. High five, go. Going to the end. Oh no. Go, man. Go. 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 Oh no. Oh no. Someone jump on out. I'm kind of still go. I just gonna let me. Now move fast. What's that? Oh, see that? Oh my, jump up for me. What's that? Oh no. Oh no, what's that? Oh, she got. Yeah. Yo, she tough, innit? You're out. Kylie, you're out. Put your hand on me. Alright, go. Go without it. I got it. Oh. Do it. She can do it, man. This is how do everybody. And me a blow. You got it? Okay. Up. Oh, sorry, my teacher. Go, Kyla, go. Go. Go, Kyla, go. Up. 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 This one is high. Can you do it? Yeah? Alright? Go. Trust me, man. I have faith in her, she bad. Wait, I'm coming. Wait. I'm coming. I want to catch you. Wait. Stop. Alright, ready, go. You can go now. Are you ready? Go. Big slide. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, you're going the other way. Alright, ready? Go. This way. Alright, go. Run! Run, Kylie! Yeah! To the finish line! Oh no! Up again! To the finish line! To the finish line! To the finish line! To the finish line! Oh no! Can you make this one? Up! Climb! Go! You made it? Oh no! It's hard! What you saw? What that me I say? Oh no! Yeah! Go, Kylie, go! Almost there! Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, on the top, yeah. Go. That's it. You can do it. Go through it. Go, Kyla. You're finding another way? Go. Good job. You can do it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Go. Go, Kylie, go. Oh, you're taking another way. Go. You can do it, baby. Good. Watch out. Up. The tallest one now. Are you ready? Go. This is a super baby now. A bun off. Jeez.
Hey, what's it?
Go, mommy. 1, 2, 3, down. Watch out. Come on, boom. Go. Down. Ready? Set. Go. Down. Slide. 3, 2, 1. Slide. Watch out. She see at the end, man. So she don't want to come out. Kylia. Slide.
Wow!
Yeah. Go now. Watch out. Kylia see at the end and don't want to come out. Kylia, go. Go. Bye. Come, let's go. Come on. Come. Slide. Ready, set, go. Yay! You're super cool. Come on. Let's go. You saw it was the end. Good job. Oh yeah. Great job. How was it? Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, massive big up. What a great vibe, what a great video. I'm burn off right now, I tell you. I'm burn up everything. Respect everybody who actually just stay tuned and watch a little video. It was a nice hour vibe, showing you exactly what. You turn back! Me know say you must turn back. Oh no! Oh God! She want water. Where water there? Oh, where water there? Oh my word! So massive, I tell you, you better make sure you're forward and strong. But big up and respect to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Thank you so much. Blessings to my members. Them super appreciate every single one of them. And yeah, that's it for the video. Subscribe for membership and continue watch our Jamaica Walk By video. Road to 300,000 subscribers. Marty. No joke, no doubt. We outside. Oh my God.
Pizza, that's my dear, and pick up yourself, alright? And it doesn't mean that you are afraid, it's just a competition, alright? So don't walk or feel back. Alright, so courtesy of Little Caesars. Yeah. And Popeyes. What a great combination. And we got some more competition coming up. Yeah. That's right. Alright, so in the meantime, between time, we have some more competitions coming up, folks. Alright, courtesy of Little Caesars and Popeyes. And remember, check out Little Caesars Pizza. You know what I mean? You can make your own pizza. See, like, when I eat a crispy cream donut, you know, I mean, I like what the donut man does. I told them back and I go so, you know. Like, we don't want to sample the new product too, you know. You're so circle. Remember the donut circle, you know? Okay.
Time to bounce.
Alright, let's go.
It's time to bounce.
And your little brother and sister there. Your poor brother and your three other sisters, alright? And bad Shabbat and 8 kids traveling up. Zaire, big up yourself. I had a wash fella, the last one. Happy birthday, everybody else celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday to you and welcome to Mega Bounce right here at the Book Gardens. In the meantime, between time, let's go.
Just I do another little circle. Wanna see the vibe, you see me? Yeah, man. Like bad dog, them bossy bad dog, them taste really good.
Sushana. Sushana will fly over the full good. Alright, Shanti. Alright, Sushana. Yeah.
They made a twin a while ago. Tiana and her stand upside and side. Look like they made a twin. Tiana and she. Think who did a twin? Yeah, and the girl, me think who did a twin. Yeah, and her stand upside and side. I want to say that's the juice.
Them say 7 o'clock, I don't think I'm going to one here, and the obstacle course.
Makes sense. Can't go get the boom flick. Look at line long. Line long. Are we up to say you have to come and join the line? We must be full line long come.
That's right. Come right here, sir. Come right here, sir. What's your name? No, you don't have to do this, man. Not start 1 to 1 now. What's your name? Jada. Jada, which school you go to? Excelsior High School. Good school. Alright, what subject is your favorite subject at school? English. What you want to do when you grow older? A soldier. Alright, so you know you have to have maths here complete, right? I'm going to ask you 5 maths questions, and if you get them correct, you will win the credit. And 5 easy maths questions, Jada. Where you want to put on one so far? Look how easy it is. You're not going to believe it's so easy. Focus on Jada, leave the phone. Turn around, man. You ready? 9 plus 1. You have to talk loud, many people are all up on the papa. How much? 9 plus 1?
10.
5 plus 5?
10.
6 plus 4?
10.
7 plus 3?
10.
5 plus 5?
10.
9 plus 1?
10.
8 plus 2?
10.
7 plus 3?
10.
9 plus 1?
10.
How much Victoria?
10.
But no, you did special, you know. I'm sure you won't come in when you're special. But you are special. Pick up yourself with your 10 big toe. Come here, man, you're very special. Come here. Come here with 10 big toe, friend. You're special. Your man is supposed to be proud of you. Come on, but never to you say you have 10 big toe. Me never tell you. Congratulations, I declare to your phone and take time walk when you go back. Mind your drop. You see how I killed. Oh, shall I tell you that? First time they use it, man, then grab me too. What's wrong? Oh, God, you feel bad. You can't hear it, you say I'm 10 big too. And the meantime, between time, this is all the vibes that come to them on the weekend. We're on the go right now, let's go! Word up, Mr. Banta. This is special.
Just to get in this one, it's crazy.
These nights, and I move to the vibe, and the night plays out. Yeah.
Why the bull is a hit? Nobody want to jump on the bull.
Keep up there.
That showed off, I would. Yeah, so massive, no joke. The event is a big success. Trust me, the venue ramp pack every, you know what I mean, it worth it, you know what I mean. I'm not gonna tell you no joke, it's a vibe, it's an energy and thing out here. My daughter have tons of fun, every kid out here have fun. I'm not gonna go around now. Like every single soul does have fun. If you come with a daughter, if you come with a son, yeah, everybody have fun. Believe you me. Yeah, man. So yeah, massive. Yeah, we just show you a little bit around of all like festivity. Everything they are going good, everything nice. You don't have to worry about nothing. We got you covered. So crazy amount of days leave. Today's the first day. So I'm open to get to see exactly what go on the first day. If you know, so you can find out what to expect and everything like that. You see me I say? Yeah, just make sure you bring no money. Water, 2 bills. You see me, bad dog and them thing there, $1,000. Chicken there, fried chicken, soup, fish, all different kind of food there on sale. You see me I say you can't forward with no food, so make sure you say you forward with the money. You understand? Yeah man, no joke, no doubt. Me have a little spot that me set up, you know. Tent and everything, roll out and thing, you see me? We have every little thing. We have a tent, with cart, with chairs, and ready for them. So maximum love and respect to everybody. You see me I say, who stay tuned and watch the video and thing. Let me show you my little tent where we set up for a little space because we prepare for it, you know. You understand? We prepare for it. Kylie, yeah! Kylie, yeah! Yeah, massive, I weed this. So on the forward and get prepared and thing to have fun. Carpet, tent, chair and everything. We're ready for it, like so what you say? We're ready for it, we're ready for it. We're well prepared for it. What you mean? Look good. Yeah man. I weed that, that's how we deal with it. Mad love, mad respect to everybody who joined the video. Art of love. See? Yeah man. Big event.